Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to use call recording on your iPhone 11. So currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and we are currently on the latest iOS version, the iOS 18.3.1. Now to use call recording on your iPhone 11, just go to the Settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Phone. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Call Recording. Now from here, make sure you enable Call Recording. And this is how you can use call recording on your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.